What's the meaning of amylase? Amylase. 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 Amylase.
Amylase is an enzyme that catalyzes the breakdown of starch and glycogen into smaller sugars like maltose and glucose. It is produced by the pancreas and salivary glands, as well as various other organs. Elevated levels of amylase in blood or urine could indicate pancreatic disease or damage to salivary glands, while decreased levels could be seen in individuals with liver disease. Amylase is commonly used in various industrial processes, such as in the production of alcohol and high-fructose corn syrup. Overall, amylase plays a vital role in carbohydrate metabolism and digestion.